Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block ads on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra to enjoy a cleaner, uninterrupted experience. First, go to the Settings menu. This is where you manage all your device options from connectivity to privacy settings. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Connections. Then, look for More Connection Settings and open it. On the next page, locate the DNS Domain Name System settings. Tap on Private DNS, choose Private DNS Provider Hostname, and enter dns.adguard.com. This will route your device traffic through AdGuard servers, which blocks most online ads automatically. Don't forget to save your settings. Next, return to the main settings page. Scroll down and select Google. Inside, open the Services menu. Scroll to find the Ads option. Here you'll see an option to delete advertising ID. Tap it to reset your ID, then enable Opt out of ads personalization if available. This step ensures that Google stops using your advertising ID to show personalized ads. By completing these steps, you've successfully minimized ads across apps, browsers, and many online services on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Not only does this make your phone cleaner, but it also improves privacy and reduces unnecessary data usage. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials. Blocking ads can make a huge difference in your mobile experience, and now you can enjoy your favorite apps and videos without constant interruptions.